8:48 now. Earlier we heard from a couple who met online. They're getting married on Saturday. But how safe is it to romance via computer?
Joining us this morning is Trish McDermott from the online dating service Match.com. Good to see you.
Hi.
And good morning. What's the success rate itself? Earlier we said we met a couple who did ultimately get married. What's the success rate percentage-wise for your company?
Well, you know, really can't tell you percentages, but I can tell you we know of 600 of our members who have gotten married. We know of thousands of relationships, engagements. We just heard about our 15th baby being born, and we've been in business about 2.5 years now. We're registering 20,000 new single people every week on Match.com, so certainly they're coming for something.
Now, what kind of security features does Match.com impose to make sure that these people aren't crazy?
Well, we have
so to speak.
We have a member service agreement, and we have a code of behavior that our members have to abide by to remain on the service. So things like pornography or harassment are not allowed on Match.com. But most importantly, we offer anonymity to our members. So you come in and you give us an anonymous handle, not your real email address, and all of your correspondence is under that anonymous handle. So you certainly don't want to release any information about yourself until you really feel comfortable. And even then, you release the information incrementally, maybe just a phone number to begin with.
What are some of the 4 or 5 criteria, the qualifications? Like, would we qualify, for example?
Would you qualify for a date?
Oh, or to be in your service, yeah.
Well, certainly you have to be over 18, you
right.
need to be single, you have to be computer literate, but you certainly don't need to be a geek or extremely techy. It's really easy to go on to Match.com. You fill out some information about yourself, basically who you are, what you like, what you do, and then what you're looking for in a potential partner. And at the click of a mouse, you see both profiles and photos of people you might want to meet.
You can find people who are geographically desirable, like the couple we met this morning who met on your service.
That's right.
Who not only were geographically desirable, they're practically neighbors.
Right.
I didn't know it.
It works both ways. You find people a block and a half away, and you find people on the other side of the world, and sometimes people do relocate for love.
That's amazing. Now, here are some of the people, and actually, you know, we fit right into, it sounds like, the profile of the kind of people that are on Match. I keep wanting to say Matchbox.com. Match.com. Mostly single, meaning never married single?
No, some divorced, certainly.
It says that mostly single, 58%, or divorced. About 30% have been divorced.
Right.
Mostly men. Men outnumber women, 55% to 45%.
Right, so it's real.
Which is good for me.
Absolutely. And the guys have to work a little harder.
Yeah, well,
we always do.
Most of them are over 30. Most have some college education. Most have no kids, earn more than $40,000 a year, and are either managers or professionals. Speak English, most of them, and it sounds like, yeah, that generally that would be a good group to try to get to know each other.
Right, and you know, they write in whole sentences because that's really how they're meeting you.
They write in whole sentences.
That's important.
That's a key right there, yeah. Grammatically correct sentences, hopefully. How about the money thing? Because let's just say that someone qualifies in every other category, but they don't come from extravagant means, shall we say. I mean, do you have a certain money figure that we have to be making over a certain amount?
No, and in fact, the beauty of online dating is it's really affordable for everyone, and so it tends to bring in a variety of people making a variety of incomes. We have a free 7-day trial at Match.com, and in fact, the couple that you met earlier today, she was on her free trial when she met him, never paid us a cent.
Really?
Now, most people do. They tend to stay on for a few months, but it really runs the gamut in terms of the level of professionalism and income.
What is the cost, by the way?
Yeah. It's about $10 a month. It varies if you buy a month or if you buy a year, but it averages out to about $10, which is a real value.
Well, if you want to check it out, here's the website. Very easy to remember, www.match.com. And get on and check it out and see what you think. In fact, if you do, why don't you let us know sometime this week or next week on Good Day Sacramento. Send us a fax at our fax number, which we give from time to time, and let us know how it worked out. Congratulations on this service. It sounds very successful.
Thank you.
Trish McDermott, thanks for joining us.